Hello friends, today I will discuss about the polarization of electromagnetic wave. So, polarization uh, actually electromagnetic wave consists of one electric field component and another magnetic field component. They are mutually perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of the propagation. Suppose say an electromagnetic wave is traveling along x-axis, electric field is uh, oscillate along y-axis, then magnetic field is oscillating along the z-axis. Okay, so electric field is oscillating along y-axis, magnetic field is oscillating along z-axis, and the electromagnetic wave traveling along the x-axis. So the graphical representation is something like this for the electric field is wiggling along y-axis. So this is the direction of the polarization actually. So, if you have unpolarized light, say a source of light, and it actually emits light in its magnetic field, actually vibrate in all direction. Now, if you put a polarizer here, a plane polarizer, it actually transfer only a particular polarization. So the light get polarized, plane polarized. Now, if you put another polarizer here, which is called analyzer, and then if you rotate its polarization direction, you will find that the intensity of light here will change. That means if it is I0 and if it is I theta, and theta is the angle between the polarizer and analyzer, this is the angle, then it will change according to the Malus law. So I will show you in a moment that it is really changing. So I have a source here, and if I connect the power, source emitting the light, now I put a polarizer over the light, so it get polarized. Now I have another polarizer which is called analyzer. Now I just put over it, you see the intensity of light is diminished. Now if you rotate the analyzer, now you will see the according to the Malus law, the intensity of the transmitted light will change. The particular direction of the polarizer analyzer, where the cos theta is 90 degree, the transmitted light intensity almost zero because cos 90 is zero. Now, if you turn this now at a particular direction of the analyzer, which is 0 degree, the transmitted intensity is maximum. So, with this simple experiment, you can actually know about the polarization of the light and also have some description of Malus law. And these two polarizer you can easily find out from the mobile phone screen. So it is very cheap. So this is a very simple experiment. I think you will like it. Do it yourself. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Please subscribe.